Today, I want to talk about step number 7, part 2, because I know the last one we didn't really finish the website. Still needed to work on some of the forms, some of the content. So today, I kind of want to go over the full content that we built out for this website for the bounce house rental niche. And I'm really excited because there's a lot of things happening right now in the background. And I'll update you guys towards the end of the video. So stay tuned, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like the video. If you guys are following along, guys, like the video because we're getting to that part right now where it's gonna get really good. And like I said, I'm pretty excited at what's happening. It's gonna get really good, guys. You guys really want to stay tuned, and you guys really want to make sure you guys subscribe. That way, you guys don't miss any of the future videos that we're gonna be doing, which is gonna be really the good stuff in this journey. So, all right, so let me go over the automations, guys. So this one's going to be basically automations, website building automations, and forms, and your funnel on your website. You want to, and we're going to go over. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean here, but you want to make sure when you're building your site that your automations are completed, and there's a call to actions. And because these are going to be really important, because once you start running the ads, guys, it's going to be important for you to make sure your call to actions are right. They also make sure that they're going to attract your clientele, and you're going to be able to get those capture those leads right into your database and your CRM. So let me show you here what I mean here. So all right, so this is the website here, and this is going to be a template, guys. And by the time you're watching this, if you guys are interested in this the web builder for ClicksFlow, I'm going to put a link here in the description where you guys can check it out. And all the forms and automations will be in this template, guys. So you're going to have all this kind of plug and play ready to go. Just change out obviously the pictures and content and stuff like that on the website, but you'll have all this kind of ready to go. So let's talk about the website. All I want them to know is that, number one, the authority here, that I'm the number one bounce house rental in the city and state of the niche, right? Ratings, you have a rating button there. Book your bounce house today, and I want to make sure, like, right away, I get I get them to click on that phone number, okay? And I give them two options, right? The first one is call me, right? There's a number. Second one is like, hey, if you don't want to call me, send me a text. And we talked about this in the last video. It's an HTML text that's gonna automatically pop up on their phone, right? So that's the HTML code on that text. So that's that. All right. Over here, you're gonna have your navigation logo on the left, navigation here, home, book now, services, delivery area. Now, these don't go to separate pages, guys. So this is gonna be on the same exact page. Okay. So these are not going to a different page or anything like that. So, and I'll show you here what I mean. So this is going to the next page or the next section here. So first of all, this is the next call to action, right? Your one-stop destination for all your bounce house rental needs. Okay. This is your one stop, guys. You don't need to go anywhere else. This is it. Give me your information. Again, enter your info to get our current special. So this is form number 1 here. Okay. Form number 1 is, first of all, I want to know how fast your party event is, right? So, or how soon it is, sorry. As soon as possible, within 7 days, more than 7 days. Okay. Then I need your first name, then I need your email, then I need your phone number. Okay. And the zip code of your event. All right. Then you get your coupon. Boom. Done. All right. Next section here. Okay. Now this is a good one here. And guys, I was kind of stuck here. I'll be honest. I was stuck with what kind of content I need to come up with for this website. So I went to ChatGPT. I'm like, hey, you know what? Let's check out ChatGPT, see what they're saying, and see what kind of tips and content they give me. So I went to ChatGPT, told them like, hey, look, this is what I'm building. Can you create some content for it? Boom, it came out with this. So why choose Bounce House Rentals? And it even gave me all the basically almost word by word. Really, it's changed a couple things out here and there. All these images here, guys, I got this from Canva. So go on and get in Canva. Also, the logo, Canva, also, guys. So check out Canva. It's like $12 a month or something like that. Um, and then here, you're gonna see here for each of these, there's a pop-up, okay? So I'm gonna open that pop-up. We're gonna go, this is the second form, and I'm gonna go over that in detail once I'll show you guys exactly what that form does, and we'll go into detail on that form. But before that, Again, call to action: book your bounce house today. All right, and this form is gonna run them through that. Okay. All right, boom. So here also, again, the form again, right? And all these have the same form. So all these are going to be booking their bounce house rental. And here, check availability, call to action, book your bounce house today, book now. Go on to the next one, book your party event, boom, book now. So all these are call to action, guys, that you guys need to have on the website. Because honestly, if you don't have call to actions, guys, in multiple call to actions, you're building a website that's not gonna really do anything. You know what I mean? If you're planning on only one phone number on your website, guys, you guys are effing up. Believe me, you're not gonna get the or you will get lead. You will get people to call, but you're not gonna get you're not gonna get the full extent of the call to actions that you need for your website. So I can't stress this enough, guys. And this is something that based on multiple websites that I built in the past, call to action and stuff like that. Kind of gain off that experience there a little bit too. So all right, our services. Okay, so now here's is describing, hey, what are you gonna get if you sign up for or if you inquire for our services, right? And basically, just check marks of basic stuff here. Coupons. You're gonna get rain policy, occupancy, cleaning, and this stuff you guys could go over with the business owner too. Let them know like, hey, are these some of your services that you guys will honor, right? But this is pretty basic, guys. It's pretty common sense here for these services. um, all right, now after that one, we have another book your bounce house today. So we have another call to action again, call, text. All right. This is another one here that ChatGPT told me to put in. So this one here, guys, it is a bounce house rental VIP club. Okay, so this is kind of more and this is probably more for the ranking side of things. Once you start want to rank your website out to rank up more and a good lead gen to get more information, capture more information. Here's early access, member only discounts, personalized recommendations, special add-ons, monthly giveaways, birthday surprises. Don't miss out. Sign up now, basically, and join VIP. So when they click on that, this is another one. This is the third form, guys. Okay, third form here. Sign up for a VIP club. Boom, and then this is going to be the opt-in for that form. Okay. All right. Next section here, our delivery area. Okay. So this is going to be where your delivery area is. So whatever city, and state you guys are doing, this is where you'll put that there. And then again, book your bounce house today, guys. Another call to action. Don't miss out on the excitement. Contact Bounce House today to book the perfect bounce house for your next event. Let us transform your gathering into an unforgettable adventure filled with laughter, joy, and cherished memories. Boom. Call to action. Text. Down here, you're gonna have your privacy policy and terms and conditions. So we're gonna go over that right now too, guys. So those are two different pages there. Okay, so that's that. So let me show you here how this is gonna look. Okay, so here's the website, guys. And like I said, if someone presses on the home, they're gonna come back to the home page. Okay, book now. If someone clicks on that, boom, this pop is gonna come up. All right, and they're gonna go through the steps here. So actually, we'll go over this in a bit here, and then for example, services. Bam, they're gonna go to the services section here. Okay, and then delivery area. Boom, they're gonna go to delivery area. Okay, so this is all one page, guys. This is why it's called a one page lander for this niche. And that's that, guys. So also here, if they click this, is automatically gonna pop up their phone to call. And this is the form here. This is this here. They click on this. Boom. Again, guys, pop ups everywhere. The pop ups. Okay. Boom. Pop ups. So our services here, guys. Again, call, text, VIP. Boom. This is gonna pop up here, and then and that's it. Okay. So let me go back on the back end again. Let me show you here in the back end, and let me show you guys the other forms we have. Okay. So the next step here on automating your whole funnel is having the privacy and policy terms, guys, is pretty straightforward. You could also ask ChatGPT. I actually made this on ChatGPT. Consult with someone about this. But I ended up making this through ChatGPT. Privacy policy, something pretty simple and straightforward. Term of services. No, save that quick. term of services also, and this came up this template here. So okay, so then now when somebody signs up, guys, your for any of those signups. So let's go to the first one here. So the first one is going to be let's go the coupon, because the first one's a coupon, right? So let me say this real quick. So coupon. All right. So and this is good, and we're gonna go. We want to go more in detail into tracking and Google Analytics, and having the Google tag and all that good stuff. We could do that, but I already have this one set up too on the back end for that. But you wanna make sure you have some sort of tag here for these pages, because this is where you're going to know when you get a lead, right? And I'll show you here on the back end how that looks like. But this is the confirmation page, in other words, so the thank you page, right? That you're gonna have. So this is the first one for the coupon confirmation. When they book an appointment, there's gonna be the thank you. Your booking is confirmed. One person will be contacting you soon. And then for the VIP club sign up, it's gonna be thank you for becoming a VIP club member. Check your email and spam box for more details. All right. So those are the three. This is based. So this is the funnel, guys. This is the full template funnel. Pretty simple, not complicated. Yeah. So now let me show you guys here. All right, so this up here. All right. So here are the forms, guys. So let's go to the first one here, which is going to be the what was it, coupon form. Okay. So coupon form here. So this is the first form. Pretty simple, guys. Here to build this out. You have your fields here, um, and basic fields, common fields, advanced fields, and this is kind of radio button here where we put here, and then your first name, email, phone number, and zip code, and that's it. So the way you automate this is on the back end. You're gonna go to settings, and then right here you're gonna you can show a message which is like a success message. Okay, we got your information, but I like redirecting them, right? So here you're gonna redirect them to that coupon confirmed page, right? And also you could email yourself for any form submission, so that way you get notified for any submissions that were made. Okay, so that's that. Let's go to the second one here. It's going to be the booking one. So the booking one, the cool thing here, they could put it a date and time to book. The second one's going to be asking for their first name. So when they click next, it'll be the first name. Third one's going to be email, phone number, address, and then they're going to submit it. Okay. And also here, guys, you can go to the back. You're going to redirect them to the booking confirmed for that. So, and also email yourself for any form submissions. Okay. And then so I'm saving, and then the last was the VIP one. So the VIP is the first name, email, phone number. Settings again, guys. Redirect them to that URL, and you're gonna redirect them to the URL for the confirmation, so that way, and email yourself any submissions. Okay. Also, the sticky contact. So this is pretty cool. When people sign up, or if they visited the site before or anything like that, their data will pre-populate on there. So that's a pretty neat feature there. All right, let me exit from here, guys. So that's that, guys. So those are the automations you're gonna have every time someone signs up for for this. They're gonna get you're gonna get a notification on your contacts, and you're gonna be able to see it from there. But that's it for. Oh, and then lastly, let me show you. Okay, the automations too. So let me show you these automations here, guys. This is pretty cool, also. So the automation here is I have so far is for the phone. Okay, so when someone calls me, and a lot of people, you guys already have this the rent and rank phone software feature, which comes with that this automation comes with that package. Basically, when someone calls, this will happen. Hey there, thank you for calling Bounce House Express. If you want to get connected with one of our service reps for a 100% free quote, no commitment or obligation, please press 1 now. If you'd like to leave us a message and we'll return your call as soon as one of our reps are available, please press 2 now. Thank you for calling Bounce House Express, and we look forward to helping you on your next party event. Cool. All right. So that voice message there is going to be the message they're going to hear when they call that number. Okay. When they call the number, that's going to be the message that comes up. It's going to retry it 3 times before it times out. And it's going to do it within 10 seconds. All right. So if they don't respond within 10 seconds, it's going to keep repeating it for 3 times. And then if there's an invalid selection, I'll say
invalid selection, please try again.
So I'll tell them there's an invalid selection, and then you have the 1 and 2, right? Keypad options. Okay. So let's say they click on 1. All right, they're gonna get forwarded, and this is the number you're gonna forward it to. So you can forward this to your own number, and while you're doing the ads, or once you already have your business owner, you want to forward it to the business owner, then you can put their number there. And then the cool thing too, they're gonna get a call whisper. So they're gonna get a call whisper here saying you have a new lead from whatever your company name is, and then you're gonna say press 1 now to be connected. So that's what's gonna it's gonna show up there. And then if for any reason if they don't answer that phone, they're gonna get tagged, right? You can put whatever tag here you want. So mine's missed call, and then they're gonna then get led to a voicemail. Unfortunately, all our customer service representatives are currently busy at the moment. Please leave a message with the date and time of your party event and location. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you again for calling Bounce House Express, and we look forward to helping you at your next party event. All right, so that's the message. I hope you guys could hear that. So that's the message that I left there for the voicemail. Honestly, a little long. I might change it, make it a little shorter. Just so that way, the person doesn't take that long to leave a message, or doesn't have to wait that long to leave a message. Also, here for number 2, if they want to leave a voicemail, I ended up playing no recording for that. It's just if they press 2, it's gonna hit that beep sound, beep, and then they can leave their message. And that's it, guys. So for that, so that's kind of the automation I have right now set up for the phone system. And also, guys, the email automations too, you guys could create for that too. When someone leaves their information, you want to send them a confirmation email, you could do that also. I haven't done that yet for this bounce house niche yet, but that's where we're at right now, guys. So I suggest you guys make sure you don't forget to like and follow, guys, because the next video we're gonna be going over the Google Ads, and it's gonna be really good. You don't want to miss it. It's gonna be a step by step, and also we got someone from the community that actually volunteered to show us. She's a Google Ads expert, and she showed us basically the step by step how to make a Google ad for Rent and Rank from start to finish. And I think you guys are really gonna like it. It's gonna bring a lot of value to everyone that is in their journey and in that stage in their journey. So cool. If you guys have any questions, let me know, guys. Write in this in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.